Welcome. In front of me is a BQ Aquaris V, and today I will show you how to enable night mode. So to do it, you will open up settings, then you will navigate into display, and you will see right here night light. So you can tap on that and you can either enable it permanently or disable it, and you can also choose when it's open, like when it's activated. You can either do it from sunset to sunrise, or you can create a custom one. Basically set a time when it starts and ends. So for instance, we can set it to start at right now. That would be 2:30. Okay, and basically in a minute it will activate itself. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. And as you can see, it just activated.